Uno for you, uno for me.
Okay, look.
Yeah, I'm watching.
Okay.
I'm watching how they do the Chilcano, and this is
El barman está
Señor.
grabando al barman.
Can you show me the bottle?
Quebranta.
I want to see it. Gracias.
Then,
There's a measurement.
Yeah.
Okay. And then lemon. So I have to buy like
¿Cómo se llama esa?
Gaseosa Everest.
Ginger ale. Ginger ale.
ginger ale.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Almost the whole thing ginger ale. Lemon.
So that's Chilcano. And what's that?
¿Qué es eso?
Un dash de limón.
Ah.
Zumo de limón.
Lemon.
Zumo de limón.
Ah, the lemon.
Lemon.
Le llevo a la maquinita. Porque
This is the Chilcano, my favorite here. Sabroso.
Sabroso.
Sabroso. Sabroso.